Hello, hello, I'm Sarah Satchwell here to show you how to apply your mascara 3D foundation with the Detail HAC Brush. Now this is the palette that I'm using today. You may have more or less products that I'll show you how to use here today, and that is okay. These are just some basics that you can use to help you apply your foundation today with the Detail HAC Brush. So first I'm going to start out with my lighter highlight color, Moonlit. You probably got two highlight colors, and the lighter one is going to go under your eyes in the center of your face, creating a triangle of light. So I'm going to pick this up with the larger end of the Detail HAC brush and get it all under my eyes and spreading it out to create that light, glowing look in the center of my face. Now don't worry if it goes on a little sloppy. We are going to blend it out and make you look lovely here at the end. So here I go with my lighter color Moonlit in the center of my face. And now I'm going to take my second highlight color, the darker shade here. Mine today is Aura. And I'm going to put it down on my jawline, again on my chin, the other side of my jaw, and bring it up a little bit on my cheeks to neutralize the redness that I have going on there. My next step is going to be contour, and you can choose whether you want to highlight first or contour first. Either way works great. I'm highlighting first to, again, neutralize that redness and to help my contour go on and have the coverage that I want it to have. So there I have my Aura all on there. Again, it's a little sloppy, but we're going to blend here in a minute. Now my contour color is Ash. I'm going to take the same large end of the Detail HAC brush and draw a line underneath my cheekbones. Take it to the other side and make sure you get it high enough so that it's lifting your cheekbones and not sagging your face down. If you do bring your contour too low, it's okay. You can just put some highlight over it or wipe it off and there will be no harm done. I'm also going to take my contour to the top of my forehead to help me shape that forehead, make it appear to be a little slimmer or shorter than it is. And I'll blend that up, push it into my hairline and down the sides of my face a little bit. The next place I'm going to contour is my nose. Now with this Detail HAC brush, you can use either end. I'm going to continue to use the large end, and I'm just going to stick the side into my compact, and then I press it down, get a nice fine line, and draw those lines on the side of my nose. Next, to contour my nose, or to brighten my nose, I'm going to use that Moonlit color that I used in the center of my face. I just get a little bit on my finger and draw a line to bring the attention to the center of my nose instead of the sides. Now I'm going to flip this brush around, use the smaller end to help blend that in. I can also use the smaller end of my brush with the lighter shade of highlight again to really make sure I get the coverage I want under my eyes. You don't want to put too much highlight under your eyes because that might accentuate any wrinkles that you have, but this smaller end is so soft and it feels so nice on that delicate skin under your eyes. So I like to do that with that color. Now I'm gonna get a little more contour on my brush and line my jaw to help me define that. Then blend it down a little bit so we don't have any harsh lines. There we go, I'm all contoured. And now the next step is blush. Now with the Detail HAC brush, how I like to apply blush is with my finger first. So I'm just gonna dip into this blush color. I'm using Nude today, and I just lightly tap on my cheeks to get the color on there. Then I take the larger end of the brush again and blend it out. Make sure I get it on the apples of my cheeks, and then I blend it out up with my contour so that there's like a seamless finish between my contour and my blush. Now don't forget, this blush color can also be used as a lip color, so I get a little bit more on my finger and stick it on my lips, just like that. The last step of our 3D foundation today will be illuminator. I'm using the Cream Illuminator Pearl Here, I'm going to use another finger since I've still got some blush on this finger. I'll use a different finger to pick up some of that and stick it on the high parts of my cheekbones. I might do a little bit under my brow bone to lift that up. Maybe even some down my nose, my cupid's bow, and even the center of my chin and the center of my lips, wherever you want to add a little extra glow, that candlelit dewiness that is so gorgeous. Now, I did a pretty good job of blending my product out as I went with this brush, but I've also got this damp perfector sponge that will help to eliminate any harsh lines. It doesn't take product off that it doesn't need to. No excess product comes off your face with this sponge. It just blends it in, takes off what it needs to, and really presses it into the skin so you look fresh and blended and so natural and beautiful. Now, my very last step will be Stay Spray. This is our setting spray that smells so good. You can get this with or without SPF. I'm just gonna do a couple squirts and it'll be wet, but that is okay. That's what we want to help set the product and help it last all day. So I hope this helped. Please let me know if you have any questions, and happy hacking.